Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Rolling Hills Motel. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Located in Wantage, 24 miles from Hopatcong State Park, Rolling Hills Motel has accommodations with a garden and free private parking. Facilities include a sun terrace and free Wi-Fi is accessible. The nearest airport is Morristown Municipal Airport, 38 miles from the motel. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.